Your search for efficient high-performance blender for modern kitchen, especially for juice parlor, ends with Maharani Bar Blender. This product comes with a powerful double ball bearing 1800 watts motor that can run up to 30,000 RPM. Along with the powerful motor, you will also get 10 variable speeds to give the perfect texture to your blend. Now, you can adjust speed easily to achieve a variety of textures. The dial can be rotated at any point during the blend, so you are in complete control. With this product, you will get ball bearing 2-liter jar with laser sharp ice crushing blades. This mixer grinder gives a solid profile and the dynamically balanced vibration-free operations. Also, it is shock-proof and safe. The blades in the container reach speeds fast enough to create friction heat, bringing cold ingredients to steaming hot in about 6 minutes. This large capacity blending jar, perfect for making of frappe, cocktails, mocktails, slushes, sorbets, nut butters, smoothies, etc. You will also get 6 months warranty on motor for worry-free use. So what are you guys waiting for? The Maharani Bar Blender 1800 watts mixer grinder is here to make your cooking easy and stress-free. So bring Maharani Bar Blender home today.